Hi, it's me Roshann coming at you live from this amazing kampung Orang Asli in Gua Musang, Kelantan.
We started our journey from KLCC Tower and head straight to Kampung Orang Asli at Gua Musang, Kelantan.
Pagi boleh lah tunjuk. Oh, panggil dia kasi.
At Uplifting Lives,
We are here to make a difference.
After the briefing, we start by collecting vital data on the households. Understanding their needs is key to tailor our solutions effectively. Then, it's time for action. We'll install the lighting and system components inside their homes, bringing brightness where it's needed the most. Aside from collecting data and installation of lights, we also make sure that it is easy for the community to use. You see, it's not just about illuminating one village, it's about spreading the glow far and wide. Our solar and lighting rollout plan is a game changer. Aside from home installation, we're also installing on-grid solar systems in community centers like orphanages and old folks' homes. So my friends, as we bask in the warmth of this feeling and the radiance of this community, let us be remembered by the ripples of change we've created. Will continue to brighten lives and inspire others to take that leap towards a sustainable future.
let us continue enriching life for a sustainable future.